Hello everyone, today I will explain how to use the interactive system to develop your own interactive effects. We provide an interactive SDK for development. First, let's explain how to develop an interactive effect with mouse clicks. Our interactive effects can quickly call the mouse's movement position. When multiple people click on different positions of the screen, the interactive system can move the mouse quickly, thus achieving a pseudo-multi-touch interactive effect. The pseudo-multi-touch protocol works by transforming recognized objects into mouse clicks or movements through an interactive system. When multiple users interact simultaneously, the interactive system's backend simulates mouse clicks or movements within the Windows operating system. As the program operates at millisecond-level efficiency, the mouse can move extremely fast, creating the effect of multi-touch. Thus, developers need not worry. Even with a single mouse, a multi-touch experience can be achieved. First, we open Unity. Import the SDK package. Click to import. This is our case scene. We have established 3 buttons. Each button is bound to the Unity's own mouse click card. Mouse click movement development. It can be completely made according to the normal mouse click effects. It is based on the interactive protocol of Windows systems mouse clicks. We set up the call script for each button and then publish it. When publishing, we need to set our window title. Which is the product name in English. I suggest you set the window title to Football 2018. You can also set it to any other title you like. Because if you set it to Football 2018, our interactive system can automatically recognize this title and then automatically switch the mouse click interactive effect. If you haven't set it to Football 2018 here, you can set it to any name. Then, when you actually use it, you will need to select the first protocol first, and then put the title you set into the Windows title, and then choose the mouse click protocol. Then click Save. Note, you need to exit the interactive system to save the settings just made. Next, we open this interactive system. This way, the interactive system can recognize that your application is developed based on mouse clicks, and interaction can be realized. We recommend using the standard title, so the interactive system can directly recognize it. Then we add this scene to the release package. Next, we click here. Make sure these options are checked. We select the third option here. So when you open the program, it won't pop up a selection window, and it will maximize directly. I'll click Publish now. This is our published application. Next, we will test it in a real scene environment. After the mouse click program is published, now we come to the real environment for testing. First, we open our interactive system. After opening, there will be a small icon in the lower right corner. Double-click to open it, click Settings, click General Settings. The first step is to add our mouse click title here. Then choose the mouse click protocol here. Even if other titles are set here, it's also fine. Any name will do. Just make sure the mouse click protocol is selected here. Then click OK. Exit to save. Then click to open our interactive system again. Then click Settings, Playback Schedule. We can directly drag the mouse click application into our playback schedule. This way, we can set it to open with a double click.